What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're gonna open up and get a close-up look at a brand new Hot Wheels Premium Card Culture Thrill Climber set. On the back of every card from this set, we do have a list of all of the cars that are included, including the Audi Sport Quattro, the Porsche 934.5, Ford RS200, Lancia 037, and the Volkswagen IDR. And car number one is the Audi Sport Quattro. And we have seen this one in mainlines before, and now we're getting these really cool looking premium versions of it. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Just totally looks like it's racing on that artwork. Very, very cool looking. Let's go ahead and open it up and get a close-up look. Lots of different stampings and sponsorships on all of these cars. I mean, they all are race cars nonetheless. So there we go. We got these really nice looking white wheels on there. The number one, just look at all the Quattro, Audi, we've got all different types of stamping and stuff like that right on the side of it, with a mixture of yellow and green and white and even the blue mixed in right there. The big Audi on the front end, also more stamping and stuff that goes on here. It looks like we've got, is this like some sort of like scoop or something on the front end? I think that is supposed to be some sort of scoop. Almost looks like a little piece of carbon fiber of some sort. We go down to the back right here. No license plate, obviously it's a race car. It does say Audi and Quattro just right there as well. And then on the front, we can see great looking detail. We've got the Audi rings right there, that logo, the headlights on there. And then the base of it, which I think is so cool. Check out that yellow base on there. Isn't that neat? Very, very cool. I haven't seen many bright painted yellow bases on cars, but it kind of matches the bottom of this one. You can see it goes all the way around on this car, and then we can see the bottom yellow base. A very, very cool Audi Sport Quattro. And car number two is the Porsche 934.5, and this one we've seen many different types from the Hot Wheels mainline. This one also came as a super treasure hunt at one point, which is one of my favorite super treasure hunts, but I really, really like this Porsche. We can have a look at it racing right there on the front on that tarmac right there. Let's go ahead and pop it open though and get a nice look at it. And again, with the white wheels, this is another one from the set with white wheels on there, and these are the same ones it looks like that came on the super treasure hunt when this car came as a super treasure hunt. But very, very cool looking, all white. The Hot Wheels logo right there, the 77 right there, a little bit of writing on the side of it as well. A nice looking color that kind of runs from the front hood right there all the way right to the back spoiler, which is really, really cool. Look at that big back spoiler on there. Also big wide body, as you can see, just a very extended wide body, no license plate or anything like that. And there's the classic Porsche front end right there on there with the two headlights going down. No sunroof or anything. It's a race car, that's right. And then on the bottom, very bright white base on this one, glossy white base on there. Just a really, really cool Porsche 934.5. And car number 3 of 5 is the Ford RS200, and I am a big fan of this car. It's just such a cool looking race car on there, and there it is racing down the road right there. And let's go ahead and open this one up. Lots of cool different colors on it. Very, very cool looking wheels on here. Not the white wheels like we've seen on the other ones from the set, but just check out those wheels. Are those not cool? Doesn't that just suit the car just absolutely perfectly? I really, really like it. Obviously, we've got the real riders on there. It is still a metal base, but it's more of a matte black finish on the bottom right there. Check out the back right there. Isn't that neat? And then it's got this really unique looking, like, I think it's like a spoiler of some sort right here, and it kind of sticks right out over the window and half of the top of the body right there. Very neat looking design. And there's the classic RS200 front end, the big Ford logo right on there. And is it Pirelli? I think it's Pirelli tire sponsor right there, which is pretty neat as well. Ford on the side as well, a little bit of small sponsors and whatnot. RS200, this is just such a cool looking car. I'm so glad to see this in this set. And car number 4 of 5 is the Lancia 037. I don't know the specific details of this car in real life. I mean, I know Lancia made some really cool looking race cars. I'm not sure why it's just called the 037. Maybe there's another name to it that Hot Wheels hasn't included. If you guys know more about this car, let me know in the comments section down below. But let's go ahead and open it up and get a nice look at it and see what it's all about. This one does have gray wheels on there, which is really unique, and they're pretty cool looking. They kind of look period correct for this car. Nice, look at the striping detail that kind of runs. It kind of runs almost in like a very slim rainbow like look to it. It's likes kind of just the way that it's angled in there, which is pretty neat. We can see on the back of it, wow, just look at the detail on there. Even got the grill that's indented with a name. We've got the little exhaust that kind of comes out. A very unique design car. Look at how it comes right here, and they've got that like big lip spoiler on there, which kind of comes right out right there. And then on the front end, you can see that just a very, very unique, detailed front end. I mean, you got to give Hot Wheels credit for the cars in the set. They've really put a lot of cool details into this. Even if you look on the hood, there's that logo, and that logo, it actually comes out. It's not perfectly flat. It kind of just protrudes out a little bit, which is really cool. You can see the big LANCIA Racing right there on the back, and we can even see the engine kind of looking right through. So it's a rear engine, which is really, really neat. It's a cool car. I really do like this one. And car number 5 is the Volkswagen IDR. And there's so many good cars in this set. It's really hard to pick a highlight car, but if I had to pick one, I'd probably give it to this Volkswagen IDR. It's the first time we've seen it in the Hot Wheels lineup, and I'm not sure if we're going to see it in the main lines. I hope we do. Be kind of cool to see a mainline variation of it, but there it is. This is an all-electric race car. Look at that. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here. Volkswagen IDR. Just if you want to see really cool videos of this car in real life, check them out on YouTube as well. Go search up this car, but it's just a really, really neat looking car, all electric. There we go. Look at that big rear wing on there that just kind of integrates right into the body, and just look at the profile from the side of it. Just a crazy looking race car. These wheels look really, really good on there. We've got a matte black base on there, and you can just see the aerodynamics. Like, just look at the front end. Just look at that lip right there that just kind of comes out, and it's just all integrated into the base of this car. Just check that out. Isn't that cool? Very, very neat looking detail that they've done. We've got like some sort of aerodynamics on the back. There's like these openings right here. I guess I don't know what that would do. That would maybe go through, kind of bring some air through here, and then go right out through the back, I guess it would be. But just it's an overall, it's a cool design car. I think it looks really, really good. I think it's a single-seater car, if I'm not mistaken. You can see the cockpit's kind of in the middle, in the center right there. But just wow, just it's a very, very nice car. I've seen videos of this car in real life, and it just looks really, really cool.
In the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite car from this 5-car set. Thanks for hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.